Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. I ask you, has there ever been times where you get so frustrated with your keto diet and lifestyle that you just want to give up? You have a couple of bad days and you just fall off the wagon and you say, gee, I just can't do this. I can't get back on track. Well, yes, you can, using some cultivation of self-compassion, a key to thriving on your keto journey. And we'll talk about that tonight. That's really why it's very essential to have self-compassion and be encouraging to yourself that you are capable of thriving and doing well on the keto lifestyle and diet. In the realm of health and wellness, especially within the vibrant community of keto enthusiasts, the journey toward achieving weight loss and health goals is often marked with highs and lows. While the keto lifestyle offers a promising path to transformative health benefits, it's not without its challenges, as we well know. Amidst the strict dietary restrictions and the quest for ketosis, it's crucial to remember the importance of cultivating self-compassion. Being kind and understanding toward yourself is not just a soft skill, it's a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your journey. Self-compassion is the act of treating yourself with the same kindness, concern, and support you'd offer a good friend when they're going through a tough time. It involves recognizing that setbacks are a natural part of the human experience, and that being overly critical of oneself only adds to this difficulty. For keto enthusiasts, this means acknowledging that slip-ups in your diet, fluctuations in weight, and periods of low motivation are not failures, but part of the journey. So let's start to understand self-compassion in the keto context. The keto diet, with its focus on high fat, moderate protein, and low carbohydrate intake, requires discipline and adjustment. It's easy to fall into the trap of self-criticism when you don't see immediate results or when you deviate from your meal plan. However, embracing self-compassion means shifting from a mindset of criticism to one of encouragement and understanding. Now let's talk about several ways to cultivate self-compassion. Number 1, practice mindful awareness. Start by acknowledging your feelings without judgment. If you're feeling disappointed or frustrated with your progress, recognize these feelings without labeling them as right or wrong. This awareness is the first step towards cultivating a more compassionate approach to your keto journey. Number 2, speak to yourself with kindness. Pay attention to the language you use with yourself, your inner dialogue. Replace harsh criticisms with words of encouragement and understanding. For instance, instead of saying, I can't believe I messed up again, try something like, it's okay to make mistakes. What can I learn from this experience? Number 3, recognize your common humanity. Understand that you're not alone in facing challenges. Every member of the keto community has faced obstacles at some point. Remembering this can help you feel connected and less isolated in your experiences. And number 4, celebrate your progress. Focus on the progress you've made, no matter how small. Celebrating your successes helps build a positive relationship with yourself and keeps you motivated. So even small successes, congratulate yourself and celebrate. They're very important in terms of building self-confidence and impetus as you move on with your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Let's talk about the benefits of self-compassion. Cultivating self-compassion has tangible benefits for keto enthusiasts. It can reduce the stress and anxiety associated with dietary perfectionism, making the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Nobody is perfect, and we all have our ups and downs, but we move on. When we have a bad day, we move on because the next day will be a better one. Self-compassion fosters resilience, enabling you to bounce back from setbacks more quickly. Moreover, it can enhance your overall well-being, leading to a healthier and happier lifestyle. So in conclusion, as you navigate your keto lifestyle, remember that self-compassion is definitely your ally. It's a practice that nurtures not only your physical health, but also your mental and emotional well-being. By being kind and understanding towards yourself, you create a supportive environment for growth and transformation. Embrace self-compassion and watch as it enriches your journey toward achieving your weight loss and health goals. And there you go. I hope this was helpful to many of you listening. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this discussion by clicking on the subscribe button underneath this video. I would truly appreciate you doing that. Thank you so very much. And again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. We'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.